So did Bitcoin hit the bottom before reaching its new all-time high? We know that recently Bitcoin bounced back from the 59,000 area to almost 64,000. So is the bear market finally going to end? And are we going to see a new all-time high of 150,000? Some are predicting 200,000 per Bitcoin. On the other side, will Bitcoin crash further to 50 or even $30,000? So today I'm going to answer all that questions, and also I'll be showing you a chart which has exactly predicted when is the bottom and when is the top for the Bitcoin, and I'll be explaining according to that particular chart where is the bottom and when can we expect the top. And also many people wanted to know what exactly I'm buying at this particular area, whether I'm selling or buying, and if I'm buying right now, what are the coins I'm buying to look for the long term. I'll be explaining you all that in this particular video. So welcome back to my channel Later on Crypto. Hope you all are doing great. So before starting today's video, let me tell you I'm not your financial advisor. Whatever I'm going to explain you here is only for educational purposes. Don't take it as a financial advice. Make sure you consult your own financial advisor before investing into markets like crypto and other markets, because crypto market are subjected to risk. So guys, this is the chart which I was talking about, and here as you can see it has predicted every time, and the Bitcoin cycle, as we know that it follows its previous cycle. Some dates might be different, but we can take it as an accurate example here. So here as you can see, in 2016 from the bottom to the top we took almost 1068 days, as you can see, and from the top to the bottom we took 364. Here as you can see the top, and then again from the bottom to bottom it was 1433 days, and next halving comes up at 2020 11th May. Again the same thing happened. From the bottom to reach the top, that is the all-time high, we took 1060 days, and again from the top to reach the bottom we took 364 days here. And finally the current halving 2024, again we took the same time to reach the top. From the bottom, which you can see is 1065 days, so almost 1068, 1060, 1065, almost near dates, and from the bottom we reached the all-time high in 1065 days. Now the question comes, from the top to reach the bottom we usually take 364 days. So if we count from the top the 364 days, the bottom will be coming up on the October of this particular year. So this concludes that we have not still reached the bottom. So there is a chances of Bitcoin coming into 50,000, and there is also a chance it can move lower. So according to the historic data, this is highly possible. I'm not saying it's 100% going to happen, but there are chances, what I mean, because of the historic data which Bitcoin has followed in the previous cycle. And we can also see the signs that Bitcoin couldn't break the 64 level. We are still down from the 64 level. We are coming down. It's currently in the 61,600 level. So according to the charts, there can be more move towards the downside than the upward. So rather than predicting the exact bottom and the exact top, which is not easy to predict, what actually I do DCA. It's very simple, dollar cost average. So suppose I have $10,000, so Bitcoin currently is sitting at 60,000. I'll be putting my $2,000 in here, and next again if Bitcoin dumps further, again I'll be putting in my $2,000, and slowly I'll be accumulating Bitcoin rather than putting every money I have into a single position at a single time, predicting that this is a bottom. This is a better way, that is, we say it in a technical way as DCA, dollar cost average. You might know this, and this is exactly what the top investors and top investing firms usually do. So now if you ask me what are the coins which I'm investing right now and which I expect it to give me good returns when the market actually turns green, the first coin is obviously going to be Ethereum. I'm looking into buying Ethereum at this area. I have bought some at 1500 also, so this is a perfect area for me to accumulate some more Ethereum, and it's the best time I feel. And the next coin is going to be Hype. This is a very good coin, Hyper Liquid. Currently it's at 10 and the market cap is 14 billion. I have accumulated some more Hype coins also here. But the third coin which I'm going to tell, I have more hope in that particular coin, that it's going to give me the maximum return out of the two coins which I have mentioned before. So before going into the third coin, let me tell you something. I used to have 4 different applications applications. One is to trade crypto, one is to trade gold, one is to trade forex, and another one to trade stock. But finally now I have it all in one place, that is all in one application. This particular application is known as Amana and I am genuinely using it. It makes my life way much easier, and the important part is it is 100% regulated and it is a UAE company. They have zero commissions, zero fees on deposit and withdrawals, and their MENA stocks trade at zero cost on your first $100,000 deposit. They also have a Sharia compliant assets for trading. You can see it over here. The crescent moon means that it is Sharia compliant. So this is the app I use day to day for my trading, because there are everything in one particular application. So before investing, make sure you do your own research, because trading is not gambling. And if you also are tired by juggling applications to different categories, so make sure you check my link in the bio and download the Amana application right now. They're also running a $100 bonus. All you have to do is download and register the Amana application from the link in the description. Second, you have to deposit $100 or more, and the third step is to make any trade, any asset, any amount, and the bonus will be credited to you. So now let's talk about the third coin. The third coin in my list is obviously Solana. So this is a proper coin which is currently sitting at 64. I'm definitely buying some Solanas here. It can come down to 60 and 55 as well. I feel it has reached the all-time high of 294 and currently it is at 64. So I'm definitely looking to buy more Solanas here. And we also know that AI is building a lot of hype in the market. A lot of investments are going to AI stocks. So if you want me to make a separate video on AI and the stocks and the crypto coins which are related to AI, make sure you comment down in the comment section. I'll be making a separate video for you. If you have any doubts regarding today's topic, make sure you comment down in the comment section. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.